Ghee is a pure oil of golden color obtained from purified butter. Besides its culinary use, ghee is largely used in Ayurvedic medicine to make medicines and in beauty treatments. There are no secrets to make it at home, but that's for another video. In today's video, you will learn why to wash your eyes with ghee. Did you know that is possible? Do you know anyone who has this habit? If the video is being useful to you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends to spread some healthy habits around. If you suffer from dry and itchy eyes, you will love this technique. According to the elders, ghee has physical and energetic powers, and washing your eyes with clarified butter helps hydrate the area, prevents dry eyes, and also alleviates facial tension in the eyes. Besides that, since it contains retinol, ghee can improve your sight. But how do you wash your eyes with ghee? You will need ghee, eye cup. You can find it in drugstores or online. Towel. Start by heating a tablespoon of ghee. Be careful with the temperature. You want it to be warm, not hot. Attention. It is very important to sterilize all the utensils and make sure that the ghee you are using has not been in contact with any foods, okay? Fill the eye cup with ghee, already at room temperature. Close your eye and put the cup over it until it creates a vacuum. Tip your head back and open your eye, moving it from right to left, from left to right, from up to down, and down to up. Let ghee wash your eye from 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat the process on the other eye. With a clean towel, gently clean your eyes and go to bed. Avoid exposure to light and electronic devices. Some people recommend using an eye mask after the ghee wash to avoid light exposure and to help keep the eyes relaxed. This treatment is contraindicated for people who suffer from glaucoma. Our eyes are extremely sensitive, and while we are awake, there is no moment when we don't use them. It is almost impossible. So if you suffer from dry and tired eyes, from being exposed to polluted environments or electronic devices and lights, ghee can help your irritated eyes.